Missouri's got a bunch of nice conservation lakes too. In fact,
oh, she got her.
Oh, you got it?
I saw her come and kiss it once.
All right. Well, you're still doing pretty good on that top water.
I got back to the shallows and she came up, literally kissed it, and I just kept swimming it.
That's a nice one.
Oh yeah, she just missed it though.
All right, that's it. I'm gonna go.
I mean,
I'll go back to
she
that.
literally smacked it, but she didn't get it. Oh, she got it.
Yeah.
Came back for it.
Came back after.
Came back for it. We're definitely eating top water, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Decent one.
Yeah, that's cool.
But she blasted it and missed it. And then I just kept walking it. Oh, she's right there behind.
Look at that.
Got it.
Cool.
Another one.
She's swimming up